Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So today I am back with one more video which is very simple and very effective in our day-to-day trading. So let's see what the video is. So it is basically regarding how to take the trade based on bearish candlestick formation in Bank Nifty. So while we are trading in Bank Nifty, if a bearish candlestick pattern is formed, then how should we trade? So what the candlestick pattern is, it is the hanging man candle. Okay, so before that we would quickly review that how many types of bearish candlestick patterns are. So there are 6 different types of bearish candlestick pattern. So those who are watching my video for the first time, please go through the 16 different candlestick pattern video that I have already posted on my channel. So in that video I have explained there are 6 bullish candlestick patterns, there are 6 bearish candlestick patterns, and there are 4 continuation patterns. So of which we would be seeing the 3 different types of bearish candlestick pattern, that is hanging man, shooting star, and bearish engulfing. So these, why I have chosen these 3, because in day-to-day chart we can easily see these 3 patterns. Okay, and it is very easy to trade based on the formation of these particular candles. Okay, so let's move on and see when to take the trade. So basically bearish candlestick patterns are usually formed after an uptrend and it signals a point of reversal, or we should take a trade at the reversal, that is we can say, or at the resistance level. So this was it when we should take a trade. Keep this in mind for a bearish candlestick pattern formation. There should be an uptrend, or we can say after completion of an uptrend it should be a reversal. At that particular point, if we see such a bearish candlestick pattern formation, then we should go on taking the trade on selling side. Okay, so this is one picture regarding the same, that is a hanging man candle formed on 18th of June. Okay, so this is the image. So let us go to the live example on the chart and we would see how to take the trade. So on the 17th itself I had already given the levels as support and resistance level, and one more thing was the resistance trend line, and you can see a good resistance zone was also marked. Okay, so we saw on the 18th that Bank Nifty opened with a gap up and faced the resistance of this particular zone. We also saw formation of 2 candles, that is positive candles. One is hammer and second is inverted hammer. So are we going to take the trade on buying side? If your answer is yes, then you would get trapped into this particular situation, because I always keep on saying we need to take the trades based on formation of a particular candle at support and resistance. So whenever we want to go on buying side, the candle should be formed at support. Okay, and if we look at this particular thing, so these are the positive candles, but they are formed at resistance, so we are not going to take a trade on buying side. Okay, this is what I have mentioned over here. Okay, now come to the point of selling side, that is taking the trade on selling side. So if we want to take a trade on a selling side, the formation of a negative candle or bearish candle should be at the resistance level. Okay, so we can see the candles is formed at trend line which is resisting and also the resistance zone. Okay, so we can see clearly that this particular candle itself is confirming the reversal trend. Why? Because if you look at this is a big bearish engulfing candle which has completely engulfed this inverted hammer. Okay, so For risky traders or those who have experience, they can enter after the completion of this particular candle itself, and those who are new traders or do not have experience, they can wait for the formation of next candle. Okay, so next candle we can see that it is a clearly formation of a hanging man candle. So how to take a trade based on formation of a hanging man candle? So I have marked this at the completion of candle. After completing the candle, we should enter at this particular point, that is one point below, that is 34580. After entering or taking a trade, immediately we should place a stop loss. So what should be the stop loss? Stop loss should be the high of candle plus buffer of 5 points in order to avoid the stop loss triggering or stop loss hunting. And what should be the target? For risk and reward ratio of 1:1. If the stop loss is of 42 points, the target should be also of 42 points. Okay, and here you can clearly see with this one particular big candle itself our target was achieved. Okay, so get practice or hold on this particular thing, and then go on with increasing the lot size and with the risk and reward ratio of 1:2, 1:3. So you can clearly see, if you would have been an experienced guy, so you would have trailed your stop loss and got almost about 250 points. Okay, if we look at this from this particular entry to this particular level, which was the support zone 34,300, we can see a bounce back as well. Okay, so at least at this particular level you would have got 250 points. Okay, so this was regarding how to take the trade based on formation of a bearish candlestick pattern, that is hanging man in the bank nifty. I hope you would have liked this video. Please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to, I would be bringing such more and more content for you. Just stay tuned and be happy. Thank you.